Pandya could be key here for Mumbai.
It has been a meteoric rise, a swashbuckling youngster to a calm and mature leader. Hardik Pandya's journey has been a roller coaster ride. But let there be no doubt, this fella is a winner. And he's lifted the Tata IPL trophy enough number of times to make an RCB fan tear up. So, Papa Pandya, shall we take a look back at how it all began and how it is going for you? Tata IPL Auction 2015. The Mumbai Indians were the only team that bid for a virtually unknown 22-year-old with the name of Hardik Pandya.
What a moment for young Hardik Pandya.
They had to spend a mere 10 lakh rupees to bag him. Perhaps the best bargain in the tournament's history. Almost immediately he showed why it was money well spent.
Monster! Remember this name because this kid can hit it far.
Mumbai made a horror start to the season and soon every game was a virtual eliminator. And it was in one of these games that Pandya powered up. Chasing an improbable win against the Chennai Super Kings, Mumbai needed 30 in the final 2 overs. He said, "Here's 21 in 8 balls for you."
And it's gone for 6, and it's 6 more. That is outstanding stuff from Pandya.
And took them home.
Mumbai Indians are ecstatic about this.
Pandya was here to stay. A year earlier, a certain John Wright, once coach of India, was at the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. Pandya caught the attention of the then head coach of the Mumbai Indians, watching intently from the sidelines. His match-turning 82 or 57 made him the right choice for Mumbai when the next auction came along. In that debut season, Pandya made some critical contributions, including a player of the match outing against the Knight Riders.
Lovely timing and placement. Well, Pandya could be key here for Mumbai. Marvellous blow from Pandya. My word, that's a good blow. Clean and handsome from Pandya. It's a half century from Hardik Pandya, and they don't come much better than this on just 25 deliveries.
And in his very first year in the league, he was the Tata IPL champion.
The Mumbai Indians are champions of IPL 2015.
2 years later, he had the trophy again, consistently showing his ability to clear the ropes.
What about a half a dozen? What a shot.
Yes, he's a confident young player.
But it was in the next 2 seasons that Hardik Pandya, the all-rounder, grabbed us all by the collar.
Oh, yes! Maximum, just what Mumbai need. There's a man under it. Got it.
Hardik Pandya is having one heck of a night.
Winning games with the bat and ball, he transformed from star to superstar. And not to forget, his 2019 performance came after the talk show controversy that got him suspended from the national side. When the chips were down, Pandya made it count. Mumbai went all the way yet again that year, and Pandya had tasted Tata IPL glory for a 3rd time in 5 attempts. But all good things come to an end. Sometimes they lead to better ones. Struggling with his back injury, he didn't bowl a single ball in his final 2 seasons for the Mumbai Indians. And due to his diminishing returns, he was released in 2022. It was an emotional farewell for Pandya as he parted ways with the franchise that believed in him before the world knew about him. He did leave as a 4-time champion, having been a part of another run to the title in 2020. His new home base would be Ahmedabad as part of a brand new franchise, the Gujarat Titans. but the tongues were wagging. Was he even fit enough to play? Besides being released by his franchise, Pandya had also been dropped from the national side. Leading up to the 2022 IPL season, he hadn't played a game since the T20 World Cup the previous year. Pandya put in the hard yards away from the spotlight at the National Cricket Academy. And his mehnat paid off. In a new role as the skipper of the Titans, could the man once considered brash and rough lead his team with maturity? Well, the answer to that revealed itself in the weeks to follow.
And Gujarat Titans take this first game.
Hardik said, "Hold my khakra," and led Gujarat to glory in their debut season. While even the best cricketers often crumbled under the pressure of captaincy, Pandya used this opportunity to level up.
Hardik Pandya. Been refreshing to see the way he's led his side.
Close to 500 runs and a few handy wickets to boot.
Holds on and Hardik Pandya strikes.
All-rounder Pandya was back.
100,000 roar for the Gujarat captain. Brilliant.
So here we are. For all the ups and downs, it's going like it started for Hardik Pandya. He is winning. And under his command, the Titans have all the weapons they need to defend their title.
New captain, no problem. Gujarat Titans are champions of Tata IPL 2022.